Hi guys, I want to ask you guys something. Do you guys know that we can cook something without using a fire? So, let me introduce to you guys to the self-heating pot.
First of all, this is not a split new technology because the first self-heating can, which is invented by a Russian engineer Yevgeny Fedorov in 1897. The self-heating hot pots, also known as instant hot pots, appeared a couple of years ago and started to become popularized in 2017.
Now we will move on to the presentation. First, we pour water onto the heating pad, which contains calcium oxide. After a few seconds, the heating pad will start to heat up. Initially, the temperature is 59 degrees Celsius, but it could go over than 60 degrees Celsius as shown.
And now we will be demonstrating the process with real food. Process will be taking around 15 minutes. As you can see, after a whole 15 minutes, the food is ready to eat. In addition, the heat pack will still be heating up the food even after the food is finished cooking. Some of the basic concepts I discussed earlier. What are the principles of self-heating hot pot? So as we said, we have an upper layer, lower layer. We start by putting the ingredients and then we heat the bag. We pour some water into the heating bag. The water will start heating and react quickly, and after 15 minutes, the food is ready to eat.
Why heating packs like water will produce heat? The heating packs got many different kind of formulas, but the main components are calcium oxide, aluminum powders, and sodium bicarbonate, activated carbon, diatomic earth. Activated carbon acts as odor removal, while for aluminum powder prolong the chemical reactions. Lastly, the diatomic earth used to spread heat evenly. So what's the chemical reaction involved in this? First of all is the combined reaction, which is calcium oxide with water will produce calcium hydroxide.
So, how does this combustion reaction happen? It happens when calcium oxide present in the heating packet combined with water that we are poured in. It will create the calcium hydroxide, which is perfectly symmetrical and much more stable than the reagents separately. It happens very quickly because it allows the molecules to be in their preferred state. Did you know that all combustion reactions are exothermic reactions? During a combustion reaction, a substance burns as it combines with oxygen. When substance burn, they usually give off energy as heat and light. The second reaction is exothermic reaction. This is why the heating package are in contact with water will generate heat. Chemical energy will transfer to heat energy.
Okay, so now to conclude this topic, the conclusion that can be made is that the self-heating ideas were invented by Yevgeny Fedorov, a Russian engineer in 1897. The main components that heat up the food are calcium oxide, aluminium powder, and sodium bicarbonate, which involve a combination reaction, and the nature of the reaction is exothermic. So now the main question, is it worth it to consume the self-heating hot pot? In my opinion, no, as the after effects of it are far more detrimental than the benefits we receive from it. It can cause health risks, environmental issues, and societal issues. That's all from us. Thank you. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask us. We are ES5 Group 8.